Do you want to achieve great things? Everyone wants to be successful. One of the best ways to learn? Ask for advice. Successful people are often happy to share. They've learned valuable lessons. They can help you avoid mistakes. Seeking advice is a sign of strength. It shows you're eager to grow. Remember, no one succeeds alone. We all need guidance. Reach out to those you admire. Ask for their insights. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn. Think about Oprah Winfrey. She's a media mogul. She often talks about her mentors. They helped her navigate the entertainment industry. Their advice was invaluable. Or consider Bill Gates. He's a tech giant. He's known for seeking advice. He values different perspectives. Even the most successful people ask for help. They understand the power of learning from others. Their stories remind us, everyone needs guidance. Don't be afraid to reach out. How do you ask for advice? Be respectful. Approach people with humility. Value their time. Be specific. Clearly state your question. Don't be vague. Explain why you're asking. Share your context. Be prepared. Do your homework. Show you've put in effort. This demonstrates your commitment. It makes people more willing to help. Asking for advice does more than provide answers. It builds relationships. It connects you with others. Be a good listener. Pay attention. Ask clarifying questions. Show genuine interest. Thank the person for their time. Follow up. Share your progress. This shows respect. It strengthens the connection. Remember, seeking advice is a two-way street. Be willing to give back. Share your knowledge. Help others when you can. By building strong connections, we all succeed together.